Today for TechBuzz new video, we've got the all new Jabra Elite 3 customized music, powerful bass and great calls. And we have got powerful sound format technology designed for secure, fit and accurate 7 hours battery, 28 hours per case and fast charge, noise isolation and hear through, use earbuds for mono sound and rainproof durability warranty for 2 years. And they tell us that 62,000, that's many unique ears they scanned to engineer these earbuds. So pretty cool. So let's open them up and see what they're like. So you get presentation like so. So you need the Sound Plus app, which is cool, one of the best apps out there. All sustainable, recycle and guilt free. So that's what a lot of companies are doing now, moving towards being eco-friendly and all that kind of stuff. And you register earbuds for a 2-year warranty, does more, which is cool. And inside, nice presentation. You can see what's there, you get your app there. And this is the earbuds here in the case and so on. So I'll pop this out. And I'll pop these out. And that's it, just get that warranty card inside there. So in here we have got our earbuds, our tips, and we've got our USB-A to USB-C cable. And that's what they look like there. Pretty nice. Pop all that back together, like so. And then onto the earbuds themselves. So let's have a look at this. So we've got the familiar shaped case. So here's my 75Ts. You can see that smaller. And you've got your USB-C port on the back. So it's a smaller case than the 75Ts, which are still proving really cool. And if you open these up, you can see what they look like compared to our old 75Ts. And we have got some magnets in there, so we'll just take them off. Let's see how strong the magnets are. So you've got an LED light up front there. So they ain't budging. And you see our 2 connection points in there. And your points on the earbud themselves, you see left and right. And you can see there's an LED there as well, coming on and off, so that's ready for pairing. So you can see the Jabra branding up the top there, on top. And nice clicky buttons, which I like. You can hear them. You can see the Bluetooth lights now. And that's what they look like there. So up close. So let's compare to our old 75T. And that's what they look like there. They are quite smaller, quite a bit smaller. As you can see there, smaller profile all around. So that's nice to see. So that's pretty much a quick first look and unboxing, and we're going to test these out now over the next week or two. So if you have any questions, of course feel free to hit us up and ask, and we'll gladly answer them for you. So we're looking forward to testing these out and see how they sound. And of course, not forgetting, you can use the Sound Plus app, which is quite cool. And that's really it. So overall, a smaller profile on the first look, case included. So the earbuds and the case is smaller, which is shrunk, which is good to see. And that seems to be the direction we're going with earbuds at the moment. But still, these are pretty cool. One of the best earbuds still out there. And that's it. So we're looking forward to seeing how these go on. And these are an affordable pair of earbuds that look really nice as well. We've got this nice finish to them too, and it's matte finish as well, and they look really easy to keep care of, clean, and they look really durable as well. So we look forward to seeing how they sound, which is the important part as well. Any questions, do hit us up and we'll gladly answer them, and we'll talk to you then.